Hi, I'm Paul and welcome to Zilla Cabs. We're going to bring back an old feature that we used to do called Cab of the Week. Now, what we do in these videos is it's going to be a little bit more informal to the normal videos we do. I'm going to look at a cab that's maybe a little bit more unique or got some kind of interesting, rarer features to it. And what I'll do is I'll talk through a few of those features. So this cab is a vertical 4x12. I'll chat through some of the speakers and some of the things with the hardware that make it a little bit different. So let's go on with this and enjoy Cab of the Week number 8. Okay, so the speakers we've got in this cab are four Celestion K100s. They're a 100-watt speaker. I think Celestion have actually stopped making them now. I think they're a discontinued speaker. When I found that out, I really like these, so I bought a pallet or so of these in, so we won't be out of stock, not for a while anyway. They're a speaker that's predominantly used for heavier styles, but they're actually pretty good for quite a few other styles, cleaner stuff, edge of breakup. They're really nice with rock. Having four of them, they can be a little bit overwhelming sometimes. I know the customer here, I think they've got two vintage 30s that they were thinking of putting them in an X pattern here, but they wanted two other K100s for another project that they're doing. So we've connected this up so we can test it, but it's almost like we're shipping two out for the two that are going to be going in, if that makes sense. Okay, you'll also see here we've got the two center posts, makes the baffle nice and rigid. Means the baffle can be braced against the backboard, so it helps keep the lows nice and tight. One other thing to mention about the K100s is they only come in 8 ohms. So what we've done here is we've wired the cab up for an 8 ohm mono. Okay. All right, you've seen the back go on now, and you may be wondering why it's such a weird shape. So we've got these weird cutouts here on the cab and on the back, down the bottom here, and it's for a thing that we've got called kickback handles and kickback casters. Now, what this allows you to do is on tall cabs, on vertical cabs, the vertical 412s, 6x10s, 6x12s, 8x10s, all that kind of stuff, the real tall, heavy cabs. It allows you to rock the cab back and then roll it around on the casters. So what you're going to do now is watch me fit these on here, and we'll see what it looks like after. You probably noticed that we've doubled up the feet here. The casters, the kickback casters need quite a clearance, so we've doubled up the feet so that they roll nice and smooth when they're tilted back, but then when they're flat on the floor, they actually lift the caster off the floor. Let's go on with handles now. Okay, so there we have it. A vertical 4x12 in fawn with the kickback casters and handles and loaded with a K100. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We're about to take this cab into the studio now and give it a little blast, and you're about to hear that. Okay, so until cab of the week number 9 next week, stay cool, hands off, and riff hard.